In this video, I'll demonstrate 3 ways of accessing your ArcGIS account. The first way is going through your Google Waffle. When you click the grid, you'll need to scroll all the way down to the final panel where you will see an icon that says ArcGIS and underneath Redlands USD. Click that, choose your account. You're going to see this blue rectangle that says login with redlandsschools.net. Go ahead and click it. You are going to get prompted one more time to choose your account, but that will then take you to your account's homepage. Another way of accessing your account is when you are given a link to a direct map. In that situation, click and then click the login with redlandsschools.net, and it will take you to the content immediately. In this situation, this map was only shared with people in the organization, and so you had to sign into your account in order to access it. The third way requires a few extra steps before you get into that blue login with redlandsschools.net. Here, you're going to be tempted to press the G to sign in with your Google account. Please don't do that. With this sign in, you do want to press ArcGIS organization's URL. You're going to click that, and now you're going to type in the section that is used for our district's account, which is Redlands USD. It's the same text that was on the icon in our Google Waffle. So we're going to enter that in, hit continue. Now we get to see that login button, select our account, and we now will be taken to our homepage. Thanks for watching.